All right, here we got video 2 of my reconstructing Castle Greyskull. And so the theory behind this is to have storage space, so when I transport this, I can put my BrickHeadz in here and just seal it all up for transportation. And why I'm using these instead of the Masters of the Universe characters is because they're still in the storage container from my last Lego Expo. So that's where they are. That's why I'm using these guys. This is going to be so cool. Thank you for watching.